before you get engagement.
Mihango ya guthurima MINISTA aria mamurirwo ni President William Ruto ni yambiriirie Dagitari Debra Baraza uria thukeirwo giturwa kia Minister wa UGIMA wa MWIRI agekinyia mbere ya kamiti ya wamurani.
I, Dr. Debra
Baraza ni ekorire haceke thutha wa marua make ma kuruta wira wa urigitani gwekererwo nganja kuona ndakoretwo eruhitie marua macio kwa ihinda ria miaka 4. Agitetera, Baraza ni erire kamiti ino iria iratongorio ni Speaker wa bunge Moses Wetangula ati kwa ihinda ria miaka 4 akoretwo akiruta wira na kiama kia UGIMA wa MWIRI kia WHO na ndafataraga marua maya.
I am a qualified doctor. My registration is A6275. I have been in clinical practice from 2007 to 2020, compliant to license renewal. In 2020, I joined World Health Organization. It is a UN, part of the UN agencies.
Baraza uriokoretwo tungata-ini wa urigitani kwa ihinda ria makiria ma miaka 18 nieraniire wirutiri wake kurutithania wira na anyiti itemi sekta-ini ino niguo kuhukia kaimana mathina maria mamigomeire. Mamwe mamo ari migomo etathiraga ya arigitani o undu na kuhukia ungumania ministry-ini ino na makiria ruhonge-ini rwa NHIF oro undu na ruhonge-ini rwa uguri wa dawa rwa KEMSA.
My approach is a consultative approach involving the multiple stakeholders, from the PSS, Director General, the National Technical Working Groups, the NHIF, among others, including the community who are receiving the services.
Baraza no erire kamiti ino ati wendi wake ni kuhimbiria uhuthiri wa teknoloji ya kiriu niguo guthinga mahoro kuria mbeca cia muingi ciuragira.
We'll be able to monitor various services that have been given. We'll be able to monitor the quality. We'll also monitor the prices, the stockouts, etc. So I believe it's critical that we embrace the digital platform as Kenyans.
Oho Baraza nieraniire gutigirira ni akinyaniria thama ya kuma mubango-ini wa urigitani wa NHIF guthii SHIF guku akiuria a Kenya kwiyandikithia na oho akiranira gucokia mubango wa Linda Mama.
We need to have a transition plan and or guidelines to ensure that some of these critical covers like the Linda Mama are always there when we are transitioning.
Na ciegie migomo ya mahinda kwa mahinda ya arigitani na gutigirira interns matiro ya ihinda mangigatumwo mathibitari-ini, Baraza augite ni kurabatarania mibango makiria kwarirwo guku akiranira kunyita mbaru kumbo gwa kamiti ya UGIMA wa MWIRI ya kurumbuia mirutire ya wira ya arigitani.
As part of the doctors fraternity, I support the National Health Service Commission.
Na ciegie utonga wake.
My net worth is a combination of mine and my husband, 455,845,320.
Bring
Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.
the next nominee. Yeah.